Hey guys, Aaron here with Equifirst Lending, and I wanted to make a quick video. I'll make this short, but this is addressed to self-employed clients. So anyone who's out there who's self-employed and looking to obtain a mortgage, just wanted to give you guys a couple quick tips that will help your mortgage process be as successful as possible. Number one, make sure you have the right documentation in place. And what I mean by the right documentation is namely your last 2 years of personal and business tax returns filed, and you have a copy of it, and make sure it's a signed copy that you have. All right, that will help a lender determine your business income over the last 2 years. All right, so it's important that if you have not filed for 2019, please go ahead and file. It just makes things a lot easier on the loan officer or the lender's end to help go along with verifying your business income. All right, so make sure you have that documentation in place. Number two, make sure your business is cash flowing, especially in this COVID environment where a lot of businesses were either one, forced to shut down, or two, reduce their operations due to social distance mandates or requirements, or strong suggestions by either city or state authorities. You have to make sure your business is cash flowing. All right, so the way a lender will go along in determining if your business is cash flowing is they're going to request most likely a copy of your most recent profit and loss statement for the year. All right, so that'll show your income from January 1st until the day it's requested of what your business has done that year, income, expenses, things of that nature. And it'll give the lender an idea of if your business is actually cash flowing. If it's not an audited profit and loss statement, meaning it was done by and certified by a CPA, then you will also need to provide 1 or 2 months of the business bank statements, or the bank statements where your business funds are being deposited into, to validate that profit and loss statement, again, to show that your business is currently cash flowing. Now, if you received a loan or funds from PPP or some of the other government programs that were part of like the CARES package, that won't count as income. All right, because most of those you have to pay them back if they're a loan, even if it was a grant. That would not be considered business income. So please keep that in mind while you're gathering documentation. But the most important thing for a self-employed business, especially in this environment, again, is to make sure you're cash flowing. So 2 tips: 1, make sure you have all your documentation in order and in place, and number 2, make sure your business is cash flowing currently, and it's in line with what you've made over the past, or maybe even more. All right, so those are tips for today for anyone who's self-employed. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. I'd be happy to assist you in any way possible. Aaron, Equifirst Lending, and have a great day.